Hello there. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Todd, and I pretty much like everything about Halloween, which is why I'm drinking my coffee out of a Christmas mug. I'm standing here in the CP, which is actually a shed in my backyard. Think of it as a man cave, a place where I can hang out on the weekends, have fun. I have the bar here, I have a TV, I have a beverage cooler, I have shelving, surround sound, and then in the front I have some workbenches and some additional storage. So it's kind of my fun place. But I found that it also is a neat place to film YouTube videos. And since this is a Halloween channel, I need to have some Halloween decorations. I took them all down shortly after Halloween, and I'm getting ready to shoot some more videos, so I need to creepify this place a little bit, to kind of put me in that mood, to kind of make it look a little spooky for the videos. So, what I want to do is I want to decorate it using some very simple decorations. Now, I did do a video that I haven't posted yet, and basically the video was about my top 5 Halloween decorations that everybody should have. Decorations that you can use year after year no matter what your Halloween theme is. And if you use them, you could basically creepify, spookify, anything. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use these 5 decorations to creepify the CP so it gives it that Halloween vibe for the videos. Begin with the pumpkin, real or fake. Skeleton, you can use the little one. I also have a big one which is right up there, but I think I'll do the little one down here, kind of tuck it in the corner so it's not in the way. Creepy cloth, white, beige, black. Bats, spiders. So these are very simple decorations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snap my fingers, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like after I did a little simple Halloween decorating back here. And then you can tell me what you think. So what do you think? I think it looks rather nice and will work just fine as a backdrop for the Halloween videos that I want to shoot. Very simple, very easy decorations that if I need to, I can take down. Don't know why I would, but you never know. We could have an event where Halloween is frowned upon. So if I need to take them down, I can. But very easy to do, and I think that if you have these simple decorations at your house in a box, you can pull them out anytime and instantly creepify anything you want. Very simple, like I said. You got a skeleton, pumpkin, creepy cloth, bats, spiders. What else do you need? Let me know what you think. Maybe you can put a comment down there below. And maybe you have some ideas that I could do back here that are also very simple. But I think this is going to wrap the video up. So until next time, talk to you later.